Seng batrai kam jngohkai hami khalia ne kasngi thoding la Pynrem jur ya ka Seng HNYF National Youth Front halor ka jingkhang bat pan phai ya baro ki Nongshangkai prathai ki batmu ban leit Shangkai shikijaka ba pher ki badon ha Sohra bat ki tain Dawki ayo jengte banadu akapor man step jangkar pru trik nai tung kit khor ka HNYF ki labat bat pan phai lut ya baro ki kali Torres ki bawan na sabar ka jela ha tangar is Khasils district abakren bekelat pathai kebor Nagalyang jong kinongelam jong kini kenhun bapher kila ong ba kaseng kan sathoi so menteri bedai pej ya katrat jngohkai ban batai halor kani ke jingjia basngosi ban bandawa ban le ai da pating ai ke bru ko persyang ban pensniu ya ka kharkhana jngohkai hapo ke jela kila ong ro ba kani ke jingle jongki kalapan kendet amtangi ke Nongshangkai nrai ke jing kendet makhrawe ke deyangi namar bak hakasin ka banangkong kila yos ngau ba ki Nongshangkai ke bisa pen senge macam pen pai shalaki jong jaka baki wan
ya shong ne krui mta si ban pau ya kijing so pendit to bakra ba kijing so si ru alor kijing jam ne ba umpoi perhan community ba ha kan ne kijing so tonat dengan ne kayo tourism ko jam tala bun snem ya ba baro ni sutru ikata kijing so tonat long halor kijing muntoy bangiyo kan ne kam livelihood kam kajam ke ba kibri yo ba kan kam sakai perthai tinrei ka jingja hne ka long bathe ambuja ya borok khoi ki betre ne kam but ida pan pawe ka jing persya bajur ga bedi bat ka jingle jong ka to seng ka ba syukur thlek untum step syubat iki bri stengti ba songsi ka long ba bankong pen i ka jinglong klep akor ka jingle joki la jutep khantam to jingja ka de hakrap dop sa Sohra ka pau na nam ka jingdon akor tin re ka jingle ni to kiseng pen pau ka jinglong klem akor pat ka ai re image bas new ndei shu tang ya ka Sohra ndei ka state por koi sia ka thai sabar kumala ong dei ba ban lum ban tei ya ni ka yo tourism kum le bosu chimpor da kisnem mangi batrei ka ni ka kam ni so thu ba ndei magic musule magic bakan long ni we have hop we have slop but kumba kalong nim tahi nganut pan ong ba ka jing trace tom gi kibri ba ya don pentah ne ka kap ada kilong ke Seng hotel ada kibri ke ba bu e ka kanja kibri banyak kali kibri be lam guide sumo mustnap kan ka kam sakai perthai mta ka ikam ki local jungi it's all about local livelihood ban yale akai kumni ba kan ka kam kumni long jingja basungsi hoi ki issue ba per ki don ki Seng balang ki don la ka jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba ka don ka rukom ne ban chube yu bri siteng ti kemot kemo ya bisa sien ka pen isi dor ya ka jinglong jongi ba ka reflect ya ka dor ka bas new sya ki we pat ki don ta jong ka perthai ha ka jok social media mta pher tuk tiak tang de second kubol apoi keleng ka perthai ya ka buram ka pangiri bro skat tang ngi chukun spoil tang ka po clip mat mod de ke bas new ka da kerpat nang ni sakhmat ndai tang ya to Seng iki Seng ru ba pile aku mikini kam na perkhat sangi perkhat jengai ba ka repercussion ka diga ba jengai ngayo kol keleng menta na ki thain nong kendong jengi bagi beri pelapun pa ka jing bitar awi re kan ka jing jam ne si de hok bakin bitar nomor la kata jak po joki ham tam ha kan ka juk ka ba mo ka pangi perkhat man phai kham bha sa ki kam ki bolong sustainable na ong to nya sange no ti ma to nya sange no ti mo shun rei shudon bok ba blei ru da it kerpang kan ni ri khasi jungi bo ai na ko wi jing khu bo ai makan long ka jaka ka ba itana de we ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ka bui kan ni ban kamai kendong jak bo tin rei so thu kan bahaba kibri bila le sitom kumni nga keren hakabe de bat kibri ba invest ha kinok ndok ya kinok ndok ban simlun silak arlak de kamba de kamba so bapligan rat kila sim lagi lun ban Seng ki homestay ban Seng ki dukan joki de kumkin ki jingja mut pensir kama ja kapo joki tina tradau da kerpat banang ni sakhmat kumo ong ki issue kinmi ki Seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hok ban pau ki jing e joki le ha kom ko badai berbor kadang kom ban le kata ban asif yang ngono ke jing ni kan kon ke jingkwa amde bachu de jubor kumto ndai barbor hi ke de lamba ke jing kren ke jing suthu bat ke jing penbet takaba ya suthu lang iwe ni em ha kan ni jaka ka ba wat yu perhat mengi la ban em non isolated kin mau hi barbor mangi ru dan tablet sabe mane phone ki khon jongaru pule sabar wangi sos air marba yo sakta sengi ru ki khasi ki basa sabar ka jela Meghalaya nak daw banga ong hi insist pa nang ni sakmat le daga jing sothu bat le ru daga jing kit kli ba ke baja hung ni kala ban kata kala yong kerto kala segi student sungi ki basa sabar ka jela ka tourism ka dei open business open market nga sothu ka hok hi ba ong la dingi pendon kami ka resource jungi ba diga jela jungi sodon hok hi sia bagin kamai shua ki try jungi mo try jela tian da ka ber kom le ta le bhai briun jit epi te sapar khat bhai kan ni jing ajumot hi na kalian jungi galong ba nang ni sakmat continue ki issue jong pi tang ba burom ru ya jak po ki be te kren ni kan ni la sai ka sing kan sodon ke jela ba he ba po like kro ojrong ti ka ba barok khat ki stick hullo jong tourism ki bade nong dong kin sai shimenta ban penpawi ka jing persya alor ka jing ja ne ski ba ban kren sali kum no ban penti kena ba kum kin ki jing ja nang ni sakmat kum te ban ja shu
we are coming here today as tourism stakeholders of Meghalaya. We have so many associations here, tourism stakeholders associations. We have combined together. We have come here because of one reason. All are aware that what happened today was, in fact, so to say, a very sad day for us in the tourism industry in Meghalaya, where we have seen that tourists coming to our state to visit the tourism spots, beautiful tourism spots of our state, especially in Sohra and other Dawki area, they were turned back. It is a big surprise for them, as it was also a big surprise for us, because for the first time we have seen tourists were sent away. It took us many years as tourism stakeholders in the state to build up this tourism footfall that we are having today, what we are enjoying today. Many years we had to even woo tourists to come to this place. We have to tell them, we have to explain to them, please come visit our state. It is a beautiful state, although the infrastructure is not up to the mark, but please bear with us, come to us, to our place, so that we can build the livelihoods of the tourism and we can build this tourism industry, whatever you have seen today, because of that kind of what you call the call from us tourism stakeholders for the tourist people to visit this state. But unfortunately, what happened today, what all the efforts that we have put up for so many years has come to as naught. I say not because whatever happens today, you have seen within the next few minutes and hours, first few hours, that incident where the tourists were turned out by an NGO there in Umtengar has spread across the country and far and wide, maybe outside also, because of social media and many calls. We as tourism stakeholders, we got so many calls from all over the place, and people said that what it is an unfortunate incident that happened in your state. We never expect that a Meghalaya, a state which is really known today as one of the top tourism state in the country, such thing can happen in this state. So this is one thing which we felt bad, and that's what we felt that we should come together and we should, as one voice, we have so much bad feelings today. All of us, our hearts were pained with what happened. So we came here, and we have so many associations here. I've come here I'm president of the Tour Operator Association of Meghalaya, and we have the president of Federation of Shillong Hotels here. We have from president of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Development Forum. We have also TDF Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum. We have the Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya, and we have also our knowledge partners from universities, from MLCO and other universities who have giving us the tourism knowledge, whatever required as stakeholders. They are our knowledge partners. They also felt the pain and they came today here. And we have various other bodies, other forums and other associations which are directly and indirectly dealing with tourism. And we all with one voice we came today, and we want to show to the world and to want to tell everybody that we are very unhappy with what happened today. And we have come here to see that our interests, our tourism business in the state is being protected. And at the same time also, we want to say that all those who are in the tourism business and those who are not in the tourism in the business but enjoying the fruits of tourism, that they also they feel the pain today. And I feel that one thing we would like to say and apologize to all the tourists that have been affected today from our side, from the tourism stakeholder side, and that they should not feel what happened today is unfortunate from our side. But then we would like to welcome them back to Meghalaya, and we would like to see that all the tourists comes to the Meghalaya state, because we need them, and we would like to see that we keep on growing in this tourism sector, because this is one of the sector that gives a maximum employment to the state. We have so many youths here which are unemployed, but tourism is one industry, so to say, in the industry which is really giving benefit to all those who are affected by unemployment. So with these few words, I would like to open this whole long-term impact, because these kind of things, they don't impact only a short period of time, but it is a long term. And people come to the state, they plan their holidays coming to the state, they book their flights, they think. So what happens if now the season is coming? Now season is coming, the next 1 2 months the season coming, and it will last till the New Year's. And in this season, if they started withdrawing, start going to other destinations, then there will be a substantial loss of footfall in Meghalaya. That is, we are afraid. And once you lose that kind of thing, group in one season, it may occur in other seasons also. So these are the things which we feel that. That's why we feel that what happened, one action like whatever happened today, it can create an impact over a longer period, a very long period, and to take that away, and then that is a little difficult for us, because we'll have to go a long way. Again, we'll have to go with all the social media, all our marketing strategies. Again, we have to divert everything for this thing.
It has happened actually. It's happened in the previous years. If you recall the other incidents in Ichamati, the other incidents in Motran, we have lost a lot, and it took us it took us so much to recover from these losses. And the normalcy is not there again as it used to be, and tourists, they get frightened, they get scared, and instead of coming here, they're going somewhere else, to Thailand, to other places. Arunachal is coming up, and then
because the other destinations are picking up now. So what we are losing now, we may lose for years together, because other destinations will take as a good opportunity for them to take away the tourists from Meghalaya and to take to their place. And once tourists start visiting other destinations, it will be difficult for those tourists again to come back to Meghalaya. And then the lots of they're getting good publicity. So then that is what we are afraid of.
One related question.
Yes.
What is your overall larger opinion on the demand for ILP and MRSSA?
That I don't think is easy to discuss here.
Whether it will impact or not, impact the tourists.
Taxis also passes through our state. They go to Tripura, to Mizoram. So I think so the second model will be kind of difficult. But we are just concerned about our issues, the issues about what tourist taxis are having. Let them sort it out with the government. But what we're trying to say here is that issue has affected the tourism industry in particular. So what they do with we cannot speak on their behalf on whether it's good or bad. So I think so it's best for them to work it out themselves.
What we can do as fellow stakeholders in the tourism, because we are also like tour operators, we have got packages and all. We also do require vehicles, and we have to transport our our tourists. So what we need to think is that we also on our side, we will try to help whatever possible ways which we can talk to our some counterparts, tour operators, and maybe to taxis, to come out in between, to find out some solution, because we know very well that these tourist taxis, maybe they have suffered a lot because they're not getting that much kind of business. But then, but what happened today is not that we expected that it should be with that kind of action to be taken. So we feel that we will be there because we are in the tourism sector. We are all working as one, and we feel that if they have anything which they may require our support, our help, so let them approach us also from the tourist taxis association, and let us come forward, and then we will see whatever possible from our side will do to help them. But one thing is the message is clear that no tourist should be harassed. That is one thing is clear. That is what the intention of why we are meeting today.
That
The
we
main that is we all condemn.
Yes.
That we don't want. Whichever form, with I think harassment of tourists will not accept.
Yes, I would like to say one thing, that whatever happened today is very painful indeed. In today's world, tourists traveling anywhere in any part of the world is welcomed. The last thing they do, the treatment they get is harassment in any part of the world. So it is not expected that we give them the best of treatment here, and they are not harassed. They had come with their families, they had hotel bookings, they were proceeding towards the hotel, they were looking forward to a weekend holiday, and they were suddenly turned back. So it is very unfortunate, and I hope it never repeats. This kind of a situation never appears again. The fallout of this is drastic. Today itself, the figures that I am getting is about 30% of bookings have been cancelled. And tomorrow onwards, we expect more than 50% of the bookings to be cancelled. It's already started happening because people are inquiring. And ultimately, who loses? The entire state loses. The entire population loses. A lot of people are dependent on the tourism now. My friends have already spelled the vastness of the impact of the tourism industry, from the street hawkers to the homestay owners to the restaurants to the cafes. Everyone is a loser. So it is a very, very losing situation for everyone, and we condemn this kind of an incident vehemently, and urge upon the government to ensure that this kind of a situation is not repeated again. In these few words, thank you.
We have done for the last 20 years has come to naught in just a few hours today. It's very sad that we as the Tourism Forum, we strongly condemn this act that the NGOs have done. I think Subha Alan and the rest have talked a lot about this. So, as what Jose had inquired, the next program of action that we intend to do is to write a strong letter to the Tourism Minister, Paul Lingdor, to apprise him and to let him know about how we felt as stakeholders. We shall also be giving out a press release in text in a few hours' time, so that you can please kindly bring this out. And may we take this opportunity as stakeholders in the tourism industry that we apologize for this act, this cowardly act, illegal act done by NGOs. And as Bandung said, Meghalaya is a beautiful place, is one of the top destinations in the country, and we welcome tourists again to this place. That's all for now.
Kita baca ayuba stu support sebab bagi turis barak kim trek banwan sini. Tekni kalau kata jur sesian mapa ki lakumba khat langut ki balak pun dengan nadu menemen step bagi turis kila cancel bagi syak sebanwan. Ti ki don ru ki guide ki balak phone nga ki baong ba ki dang don ki trip lasa ki dang don ki trip kini ki si banwan ru kalau kata. Tekni ki jingle kini ki seng kajing late start nganong mo ya kan kekam tourism jungi kalau penduk jakpo iki samla ki badang shim kini kekam guide kumbala keren kumbala keroi baalan bene ki ke tourism jungi kam de tang hasilong menta layat has po ki than nong kendong te ke boleh ke yat ki than nong kendong ru ka aikam aijam bat ka pen reduce kata ka jingwan juki kena jengki samla na po nong kendong sesor hakaliang ban wat kam wat jam. Jika kam kalau don lupa senang cuki, tambah lagi kijak mungkin ini kijingja ki bala ajate ngamdai tak kasin benikong ke pemerintah kan penduk mensim iki local guides jungi kan penduk mensim iki samla jungi ki badang wa mensim ban sengkam sengjam la kini kerkom ban guide iki tourist ki ba lech kini ki jaka ba fair. Tina kalian jongka Tour Guides Association of Meghalaya hi Pynrem jor kini ka jingja ke jingle jong kini ki Seng.